Two people did the same problem, but they got two different answers. So who's right? Well, it's just going to depend on who followed the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside a grouping symbols first. Then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. All right, so how did this person get 39? They started with the 5 divided by 5. That gets you 15 minus 1 plus 5 times 5. Then they did the 5 times 5. We have 15 minus 1 plus 25. 15 minus 1 is 14 plus 25, and that's how you get the 39. Now, what did this person do? They started with the 15 minus 5, so that gets them to 10 divided by 5 plus 5 times 5. Then they did 10 divided by 5, so that gives them a 2. So now they have 2 plus 5 times 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. All right, so who got it right? Just depends on how they started, who violated the order of operations and who didn't. This guy started with that division in the middle, and this one started with the subtraction up front. This is the violation. Okay, so this is not the right answer. 35 is wrong. The correct answer is 39. Hey, now try this one.